Color are one of the most commonly used primitive tokens in any design system. It is also known as the global tokens. Go to the toolbar and select this button called Action. You can use a shortcut Control K, or if you are on Macintosh, you can use Command K. Go to the plugin and you can use this plugin called Tailwind CSS Color Generator. You can use any plugin as far as it allows you to generate the variables. I have two colors handy with me. I will copy this first color, generate color guide, and clear the variables. This is the first one. Let's do this exercise for the second color. Right-click, copy, paste, and create variables. Now what happens is, when I go to click on the local variable, we don't find anything. But if you click on this drop down, it has a section called colors. And it automatically cleared all the variable that we are looking for. These are all our primitive tokens. Now, I will rename this thing as primitive, so it's easy to understand. This one, I will double-click, say, primary. And this one, double-click, secondary. So, we have created our first primitive tokens. You can even go through our complete course where we explore every step to streamline your workflow, from setting up the token to mastering the consistency and the scalability in your design system. Let's continue with this lecture.